Hey, this is Zubayer. I hope you are doing well. And today I will discuss about server-side tracking for Google Ads and GA4 using Google Tag Manager and Stape.io. So let's get started. I will make two parts for this video. On the first part, I will discuss about Google Ad conversion tracking. Then on the second part, I will also discuss about the GA4 conversion tracking. Okay, and the conversion tracking will work fully on first-party domain. So we will set up the conversion tracking using Stape.io and the tracking script. All the script like the Google Analytics script, the Google Ads conversion script will work based on our first party domain. We will not use any third party domain like Google Tag Manager.com or something. We will use only the first party domain. So what tools we need? We need Google Tag Manager, web container, we need the server container. This is web container, this is server container. Then we also need the Stape.io. It's a server provider, Then we also need the Cloudflare because we need to add some DNS record here. Okay, so I am using Cloudflare for DNS management. If you use another tools, you can also use this one. Let me start. At first we need to create a SGTM container on the Stape.io because I already have the container on GTM, so no need to create again. Just we need to create SGTM on the Stape. Let me create one. Stape.io. We need some information, so create Stape container. In here we have to container name, so it will be demo container. Then container configuration key will be here. Just click here. Then manually we have to input, so copy this one. Then container configuration, yeah, nice. Then it will be okay, we can use it, no problem. Then continue. Then we can use free plan to start, so let it start it. Continue with free plan. Then we have to add billing to enable the container, so let me start. I'm from Bangladesh. Okay, I have added the billing and now it is active, so it is deploying. Let me reload again. It would active soon. Okay, it's running right now. Nice. Now we need to add something here. So basically we will set up this from submission tracking from server side. Okay, so now we have to add custom domain to set up the first party tracking. So let me start. We need to add a subdomain here. So this is my main domain. I will use maybe another domain as a subdomain, like you can use sgtm.zubayerislam.com. then at Cloudflare we can use Step Global Cloudflare, no problem. Automatically no, we can use manually. Then next, because we will use the DNS record manually. So now we have to add two DNS here. The first one, this one, it will be CNAME type record. So let me copy, and this is the value. So we have to go back to the Cloudflare to add the DNS. So let me go to, okay, I have added the DNS record, but for my security purpose I didn't show you my DNS list. So now it is verifying, but it will take some time. That's why let me use this domain, the default domain, and let me continue the setup. Then when it will be verified, then we can use this domain, but we must need this domain to enable the first party tracking. Okay, otherwise the server side tracking will work, but it will not be fully first party. So let me use this domain to go ahead. Okay, copy this domain. We need to add this domain on the server container. Let me go to the admin. We can close the Cloudflare now, so let me close. Then continue container setting, then add domain, save it. But now we also need to do something here. As we gonna set up the tracking for this from, we have to check this from builder. So let me check it. The from builder is w from. Okay, so we need a listener to track this from. I have a listener here, so this is w from listener, and this code will listen the from submission and send data to data layer. Let me check it. We have to preview now. Then let me copy the website URL here, then connect. Okay, it's connecting. Perfect, it is connected. Now we can test the submission. Okay, test. Okay, submitting. Okay, thank you page is coming, and we are getting the data layer. Let me check it. So on the data layer we have the event name, we have the user data, everything is here. So we can use this event and we can set up the server side tracking. Let me do it. So at first we need some tags here to send the cookies or send the data to the server container. Then from the server container we will set up mainly the Google Ad conversion tracking. So we need the GA4 client to send the cookies or all the data to the server container. So let me use GA4 config to send the basic information. So let me do it. So we have to use Google tag. In here we need to use a demo, or you can use anything here, but if you create a demo GA4 and do it, it will be great. I am using a demo one to just send the data. So in here we have to also use the send page view too, so that page view can send. Okay, it is GA4 config server to send the basic information, the basic event to the server container. Now we will also send the form submission data to the server container. So now let me create the form submission event. This is GA4 lead lead server, and it will be event of GA4. So measurement ID, we need to keep the same measurement ID. I will copy it and paste it, and the event name will be the generate lead. Then the trigger will be the custom event. Let me do it. Custom event here. The event name is WP submit. Okay, so WP from submit. Okay, nice. Then save it. Then let me copy the measurement ID and let me paste here, or let me just skip it. Oh, I cannot. Okay, we can use a variable. So let me build a variable GA4 MID. It will be constant variable. Okay, then G dot dot dot. I will change it. Perfect. Now save it. We have to use the same measurement ID on the all GA4 tags. So I have used some here. Okay, we just need to copy it and we need to add it on the variable. So let me do it. Okay, save it. Then variable, just use the same measurement ID. Okay, just put the measurement ID here so that it gonna work for all the tags, all the GA4 server tags. So tag, now if I open the event tag, I will find that it is working or it is found. Yeah, it's found. Now we can send the data to the GA4 server, but we also need to add something here, otherwise it will not work. That is the server URL. So server URL, that is a step URL. We will use this one, but right now I am using this one because it is verifying, but I can check it again. Oh, it is still verified. So let me use this one to just continue. Okay, this is server URL. Then save it. Now we can preview again, preview from server and web container both, so that we can test it, the data is sending or not. Okay, preview. Now preview again here. Okay, perfect, and it should load. It is taking some time. Okay, it is loading. We have to wait to fully load it for this one. Okay, it is connected right now. Perfect. So now we can test the submission again, but we can reload again to check the page view event. So test again, reloading. Okay, I'm getting user engagement. It means it is working. Then page view. Okay, perfect. So GA4 client is sending data. Nice. Now we can submit the form to test the form submission data. Okay, perfect. Test, then send. We should get generate lead even here. Oh, I already got it. Perfect. So it is working. It is working. Then I can also check the variable or data layer here. So data layer is coming. We can also send the email ID, then name, and all the user data to enable the enhanced conversion. So let me do it. Okay, variable. You have to create variable for email and phone number. Then we can send it. So it will be email. Then it is the data layer variable. So it will be input dot this one. So input dot this one for the email. Nice. Then I will also send the phone number. Okay, phone number, data layer variable. Okay, then where is the phone number? Phone number field is missing, so I am using this field as a phone number. Okay, but you need to put the original phone number. I don't have phone number field, that's why I am using this number as a phone number just to show you. So input dot this one, phone number. Nice. Now we have to link the variable with the tag, so we have to add it on the GA4 lead tags because we want to send the data with the generate lead event. So event property, then you can send it as a user data. Okay, we can use another variable. Okay, stay here. Okay, so it will be user data. Then we can create a user data variable using the email and phone number. It will be user data, then user provided data using email and phone number. So email and phone number, then save it. Perfect. Now everything is okay. Let's save it again. Now you can test it again. So preview. So no need to preview again here. It will work. Just need to preview on the web container. Okay, perfect. It is loading. Nice. So let me submit again and save it. Now we should also get the user data to enable the enhanced conversion. Okay, I already got the generate lead, and we can check the event data. User data is available or not. Okay, I see the user data and the email and phone number is available. Nice. Now we can set up the Google Ad enhanced conversion as well as first party server-side tracking. Okay, so we have to create tags here, but before doing it, we also need to do something here. I will do it later, but let me just create one. So first of all, we need create something here, create a conversion action. So it is loading. Now create a conversion action using Google tag. Yeah, then it will be submitted from, and actually it is a WP from submission. Okay, manually, then it will be WP from submission. We can use GTM to understand. Okay, and the enhanced conversion would work using Google Tag Manager, so it's okay. Save it, then continue. Okay, use Google Tag Manager. Nice. We need the conversion ID and conversion value. Okay, perfect. We need the conversion ID and conversion label actually. Okay, so let me copy the conversion ID first, and I want to create a variable using the conversion ID. Okay, nice. So this is Google at conversion ID. It will be constant variable. Okay, nice. Now we need to create the trigger using this event. So now it will be the generate lead event, not the from submission like this one. Okay, because I am using GA4 client, and on the GA4 client we use this event name. Okay, so now let me create trigger. It will be custom event like the web container, and it will be actually w from submission. Perfect, then shape it. Okay, now we can create tag. So we need two tags here. At first we need a conversion linker tag. It will be Google Ads conversion linker. Nice, conversion linker. Then trigger will be all pages. Now we can create the conversion tag, but we might need another tag for enhanced conversion. Let me check. Okay, Google Ads conversion tracking. We need the conversion ID here. So I have variable, just link it. Conversion ID here. Then trigger will be w from submission, and conversion label this one. Okay, nice. Just copy and paste here. Then conversion value for the from submission, I think no need value and currency, but if you want you can send it, no problem. Then conversion linker, everything is good now. Okay, it's okay. So let me save it. Google Ad lead. Then we also need a tag to send the enhanced conversion data. We need use this one, Google Ads EC. Nice. Then fire on this one, and no need to create anything here, just we need to link the conversion ID. It can automatically capture the user provided data based on this parameter. Okay, Google knows about this parameter, so Google Ad can capture it. Just we need to link the Google Ad conversion ID here. Save it. Now we also need something on the web container, that is Google tag for the Google Ad. Recently Google announced this option, so we definitely need it. So we need Google Ads G tag. Okay, it will be work all pages. Then it will be Google Ads Google tag. Then okay, nice. It will be AW this ID. Okay, nice. Shape it. Now the server-side tracking for Google Ad will fully work, but right now still it is working based on third-party cookie. Okay, but after setting this option, it will be fully work based on first-party domain and first-party cookies. Okay, but it is taking some time to verify. When they verified it, just you need to copy this URL and just change it on the Google Tag Manager configuration tag here. So change it here, as well as we need to change it on the admin of the GTM. So need to change also here. But right now let me check it. Okay, so preview, then again preview here, then finish here. Okay, nice. Now we can submit again. Test. Now we should get the event here, generate lead, and I see Google Ad lead and Google Ad EC. I mean enhanced conversion is firing. Then Google Ads conversion ID and conversion label is here, so definitely it is working. Then Google Ad EC is also working. It means Google Ad enhanced conversion tracking as well as the Google Ads tracking, server-side tracking with first party is working, and I see the user data is sending, so everything is good. So we have successfully implemented the Google Ad first party server-side tracking as well as Google Ad enhanced conversion tracking. Thanks for watching. If you need help with data or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.